Hi there, Finn here at Lincoln Bikes. It's project time again. I've set the cameras up as easy as I can to get this done. So I'm just filming the actual screen. Hopefully that comes up okay. So previously we machined these engine casings, but the bearing tolerance was a little bit too slack. So I'm going to remachine them now. I've got some more aluminium in, and basically what we're going to do is remachine these so you've got a straight edge there and there. Makes it easy if I need to hold it or to mount other bits and pieces to the casings. It just cleans it up a little bit. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to get on with the machining and cutting all the aluminium up, and let's see how much we can get done. Just before we go on to that, we were going to use these centrifugal clutch centers. I can still use them, but what I'm actually going to do is get a double chain coupler. So we have a sprocket one side, a sprocket the other side, and a double chain just wraps around. And what that allows it to do, it allows slight misalignment to be taken up by the joint. So it's a double chain coupler, they call it. AliExpress are delivering some, so whether they actually turn up or not, we'll find out. I couldn't find those bits on Temu, so there you go. So something coming from the other Chinese seller. Yeah, so that's out, and we're going to have the other connectors come through. That's going to mean I've got to wait for those to get here before I can then work out exactly how far out, what the spacing is going to be of the cylinder casings across the 6 cylinders, because we're going for 6. Right, okay, right, we'll get some machining done. Hi there, Finn here at Lincoln Bikes. Well, it's been a little while and I'm at the back of the CNC machine to tell you a little bit why. As you can see, let's do it the right way around. Now we're going to do this. There we go. As you can see, we've got quite a few wires there. The computer stopped working in the machine. Had all the metal chops up ready to go. And unfortunately, it just wouldn't start at all. We've hopefully found what the problem was. Inside the computer section, which sits all in here, the power pack supplying that with power was absolutely dead and smelling a little bit funny. So we're hoping that a new power pack will sort it. I've just got to work out where to put all these wires back in. They're all labelled, but wish me luck. So yeah, we'll be back on with the project soon. And yeah, we're going to crack on with it and do what we can. So this is the computer system out of the CNC machine. Inside here there's a Windows CE 6.0 embedded computer thing, and then the control board that puts all your controls out to all parts of the CNC machine. There's also the power transformer, which takes the 240 volts and gives out multiple voltages. This was dead inside here, and I'm glad it was that, because that was £120 to replace, and you can just buy on Radio Spares a direct replacement for it. They wanted £1,900 for a refurbished version of this, plus the VAT. So I'm so glad that it hopefully is that. It's bolted in. I've turned it on and all the lights came on and it whirred up the fans, which it wasn't doing before, so I'm hoping it's all going to be fine. So now I've got to bolt that back into the CNC machine. So I've opened up the old transformer, and in here there's an ugly bit. Let's see if I've got a light on for you. There you go. Yeah, look at that. So that's whatever that is, that's what's gone wrong and blown, and that's why it stopped working. I'm ready to start machining again. I've got all new, a new program in ready to go. So we've got metal cut. So let's go and have put this back in the CNC machine.
Right. It's time to get cracking. The next video will see 6 pairs of engine casings finally machined. The double chain connectors have arrived and of course do not fit. So stick with it, progress will be made.